Hi, I'm Kobe McConnell, president of Kobe's Tentless Termite and Pest Control. And if you live in Largo and are having a problem with termites, I found something in the field today I think you'll find interesting. So why don't you come along with me and I'll show you what I found. I wanted to share with you a sound that no homeowner ever wants to hear. See if you can tell what this is. Still not sure? Listen again. Let me give you a clear picture. Don't wait until it's too late. This is the sound you really want to hear. The sound of silence. So, if you live in Largo and are having a problem with termites, give us a call today. 727-462-0400. Once again, I'm Kobe, president of Kobe's Tentless Termite and Pest Control. Where as long as God keeps making them, we'll keep killing them. I hope you found this video helpful, and you have a great day.